Welcome back. Into this tutorial. We are diving into the fundamental of Excel, focusing on basic calculation and formulas. Whether you are a beginner or need quick refreshers, you are in the right place. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing first, let's talk about simple arithmetic operation in Excel. You can use Excel not just a data or organizer, but also as a powerful calculator. So the basics operator, like you may find the plus, and also you may find the substations, or this one, like here you may find the substation, this one. Okay, and also multiplication and also the divisions. Okay, so let's try a quick example. Like here I will use a simple number, a1. Like if I say the 50s, then the b1 I will use like the 5. Then a simple additions formula I will use your, then the equal, then I want to select this one, then use the additions, this one, then select this one, then hit on the OK. See, so Excel instantly calculates the sum for us. So now let's move on the sum basics formula. And before that, you can also use the subtractions. Like if I want to use this one with the subtraction, this one, and then hit on the OK. Now you got it. Then the another one, if you use the multiplication like this one, and multiplication with this or b2 or b1, then I got it the result. Okay, same way you can easily use the divisions, like use the equal, then use the divisions with this one, then b1, then hit on the OK. Okay, so now let's move into the formula. Okay, so formulas are real magic of Excel. So they allow you to perform complex calculation with ease. So here are some essential formula you should know. Like you may or like the sum, or this is the, or before that I want to delete this one, and sum. So it's all our number in a range of cells, and like the average, and this mean calculates the average of number in a range, and then the mean also find the smallest number in the range, and the max like find the largest number in a range, and the counts, the number of cells contains number. Okay, let's see the actions. Like here I have, or I can easily use it, the simple one. Like I want to use the 15, 20 or 25, or let me use the 30 of this one, and I want to use the sum over here. Let me use this one, or I want to add up this number with the sum function, then select the range and close it with a parenthesis, then hit on the OK. So here you got it the results. Same way, if I use the average of this number, I will use the average function with writing the average, then select the range, then close it with the parenthesis, then hit on the OK. So here we got it average. Now if I want to find the smallest number in the range, I can easily use the mean function. So right here, the mean, then let me select this one, then close it with the parenthesis, then hit on the OK. So here we got the smallest number within our selected range. The same way we can follow the max function, and we want to find out the largest number in the range. So let me use the max function. Then before that, I want to use the max, that use the parenthesis, then close it with the pair parenthesis again, then hit on the OK. So here we got it the maximum number or the largest number in our range. And the basics are, we will use the count function. Okay, so the count function count the number of cells that contain the number. So for example, I will use the count functions and select the range, then close it with a parenthesis, then close it, hit on the OK. So here we got it the total number, or here we got the number, the full OK. So now let's explore a bit more. So did we know Excel can handle percentage? 2. Okay, so we can also find the percentage too and calculate the percentage. You can simply multiply the number by you want. For instance, if you want to use like the 20%, this one, and you can 20% of the 200, you will ensure the formula or what I'm gonna do like this or the out of this one, then I will use this one. Then I can just select, or instead of writing or selecting these cells, I will use the 2000, then multiplication, then use the 0.2, then hit on the OK. So Excel handles the rest, okay? Or you can do by using this one, or I can just select this one with the multiplications 20%, then hit on the OK. So here we got the same result with the same way, okay? So finally, let's talk about absolute and relative references. These are crucial for copying formulas across cells without messing up your calculation. So here, and absolute reference stay constant with when you copy a formula, while your relative reference change based on its new location. Okay, so you can make our references absolute by adding $sign before the column letter or row number. So this ensures that references doesn't change when you copy the formula. Okay, so for example, if I use the multiplication, this one like here with 5, and here I want to multiply this one, and this one multiply this one, then select this one, then hit on the OK. Now, if I just drag it down, and here we got the result, because when I copy this one and it doesn't look here. So for this, we use the here lock with the F4, then hit on the OK. Now, if I wanna just drag in there, now you can see constantly, or it doesn't change and copy the formula over there. Okay. So, and there you have it. You are now equipped with the basics of calculation and formulas in Excel. Practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate, experiment on your own. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next time.